Trio arrested for attempted hijacking outside Sandown High School. Police have arrested 3 men following an attempted hijacking outside Sandown High School in Sandton north of Johannesburg on Monday. The owner of the car stopped at an intersection and the alleged hijackers tried to hijack him, said Police Captain Granville Meyer. Meyer said the trio was arrested by officers from the Johannesburg Flying Squad and Metro Police Department. He denied reports that a suspect was shot and had fled into the school premises. There was no shooting at the school and no one was wounded. The men aged between 28 and 38 are expected to appear in court soon. The school is normal and everything is running. There is no problem here, Sandown High School said, adding that all of the learners were safe and accounted for. Grayston Preparatory School, which is a few meters from Sandown High, said all its pupils were safe and accounted for.